Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily update for Bitcoin. Today a little bit longer, a little update for all Solana longs and a bigger update for Bitcoin. What's going on October the 23rd today, and we have a lot of things to talk about, guys. I will show you some amazing things. Is this the time now to buy or not? Let's go, guys. And here we are. This is Tradingfees. We're starting with Tradingfees, and this is the daily. On the daily, we should buy Bitcoin. But guys, on the 4-hour time frame, we should sell Bitcoin. Okay, this is telling us we should sell. The 2 hours is telling us we should sell, and the 1-hour time frame is telling us also we should sell Bitcoin. So greater time frame, buy, and short time frame up to 4 hours, we should sell Bitcoin. Okay, guys, let's check now what's going on with CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is going down a little bit, 3% in 24 hours. In the week, it's going down a little bit, 0.05%. Okay, Ethereum is going up in the week a little bit, 2.3%, but in the day, 1.89% in the minus. The Binance coin is also going down. ADA Cardano is also going down. Solana is also going down. I will show you Solana update, a little update soon, guys. XRP is going down, so the most coins are going down here a little bit. Let's check. What's the biggest winner? Phantom, 10% in the plus is the biggest winner. Ravencoin, 10%. Harmony One, 9%. Biggest loser, Icon is going down. FTX token is going down. And OMG Network. In 7 days, the biggest winner is OKB, Nexo, and Zcash, and the biggest loser is Flow DYDX, and Cell is also going down in the week, 12.8%. Okay, guys, the Bitcoin dominance is going down, 45.6%. Let me show you what's going on with the dominance. For the moment, it's better to trade the altcoins as Bitcoin because the dominance is going down. All coins are going down, or most coins are going down, but Bitcoin is going down more. You can see we have here some problems. We are, for the moment, this is the 1-hour time frame for the dominance. We are, for the moment, under our middle line. Yes, we are still in the nice uptrend, but we saw a bad downgoing dominance for Bitcoin. For the moment, 45%, sorry. And we are now under the middle line. The middle line is now a resistance. We are under the EMA 200 also on the 1-hour time frame. This is bad for Bitcoin. That's the reason why the altcoins are going down not so fast as Bitcoin. So here is the little Solana update I promised you, and all guys who went in with me on $164, they are in a nice profit. Congratulations, guys. We are still in a nice uptrend, but we have now the problem with our Fibonacci. You can see the Fibonacci line at 215.95 is the big problem. We saw a nice candle up to this and then a downgoing price. I took some profit, not perfect on 215.9, but on a nice position, 210. Now we're going down a little bit sideways a little bit. And you can see we are, for the moment, still over the ribbon band. This is important. This is the 1-hour time frame. And yes, we are still over the ribbon band. And we are really important over this Fibonacci, 0.786, $194. This is our big support. As long as this is holding, guys, everything is okay with our Solana trade. As I told you, I took some profit here on the upside because I made a leverage. I made really nice profits here from 164 to up to 210. Really nice with leverage, but I'm out with a little bit, took profit with a little bit, but with the greater Solana, the greater money, I'm still in the long position, guys. As long as we're in the uptrend, everything is okay. As long as we're over the ribbon band, everything is okay. The big target to the upside, I told you, this is the triangle, the technical target, and it's about 250, 260 US dollar. And I think, yes, it's still possible to reach this target. So this is the reason why I'm long. Guys, this is now Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin update video. We had big problems on 67,000. We saw a bad rejection down to our Fibonacci, our last all-time high, up again and then down. Now we are in a bad downtrend channel. You can see it here on the 1-hour time frame. Every candle is 1 hour. We are under the ribbon band. And the biggest problem is, guys, we broke the EMA. The EMA 200 on the 1 hour is the yellow line. And you can see this green line here on the downside. I draw this for you. This is the first pivot support. Biti, what are you talking about? First pivot support, what's that line? Guys, I'm making every day a new update here for you. This is the important support and resistance update. It's a really short video, every day new, and you can see October 23rd for today, and you can see our big resistance points and support points. And you can see here the first support point, 59,300, and I drawed for you this line here in the chart because the first support point, the pivot point, is a really important support. For the moment, we are over this support, and this is important now, guys. On the upside, we have 62,000, 65,000, and 66,000 as the big resistance zone. On the downside, we have 59, 57, and 55 as the big support zone. That's the big question now, guys. Can we stay over this first pivot support point, 59,300? This would be bullish. If we will lose this point, this would be not so bullish, guys. So here is the green line. Here's the first pivot support point, and we saw a spike, a bad spike down. Not a perfect hit, but a bad spike down to this. And as long as we are over this line, I am still bullish. But I would not make a long position for the moment because we are, you can see it on the 1 hour time frame, for the first under the EMA 200. This is the yellow line, and we are fighting with the ribbon band. So I would not make here a long position as long as we are under the EMA 200, and as long as we are fighting with the ribbon band, I would wait here a little bit for a new buy in here. This is very important here, this point, guys. And you can see this point also on my live stream, guys. I told you I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And you can see this fight here also live. So if you would like to go in the trade, I would wait a little bit for an upgoing price, over the EMA 200. Green line, I told you, first pivot point, very important, 59,300. The next line here on the downside is a really important line, 0.786. This is a Fibonacci line at 57,100. So you can see here we made a low. For the moment, we have here a lower low. This is also not good. You can see it here. We are building lower lows and at higher lows. We are building lower highs. This is also not the best thing, guys. Not the best thing to make a long position here now, as long as we are fighting here. Okay, the next stuff. Let me show you the next thing. The next thing, you can see it here, guys. I told you this is my live stream and I'm streaming this one here. And guys, look at the downside on the 1 day time frame on the down left side. I told you yesterday with my video, attention, the sell signal is flashing. Yesterday the sell signal flashed, and yesterday we closed this candle with the sell signal. For the moment, that means, guys, the upper trend here, the long trend is we are in a sell zone now. We saw a nice upgoing pump, a buy signal here on the downside, now a sell signal from yesterday. As long as we have the sell signal, it's important, guys. It's important for you to keep this in your mind. We are now in a trend to the downside. It's better, always better to trade a trend to the upside. For sure, it's easy. Or you make short positions with sell signals. That's also easy, guys. So the trend is your friend. Use the trend. Make long positions if we are in an uptrend, make short positions if we are in a downtrend. For the moment, we are in a downtrend. Keep this in your mind. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see here on the downside a nice spike to the downside. A buy signal is flashing here. Yes, okay. And we are now in a little uptrend, but also on the 15-minute chart, you can see we are under this EMA 200. Here on the 1 hour time frame, you can see it also. We are under this EMA 200. And as long as we are fighting here, I would not make a long position. Why? Special thanks, guys. Special thanks to my top supporter, Ryan, in real life. Without you, Ryan, in real life, I could make this stuff here. You are supporting me. You supported yesterday, spent it yesterday, 5 gifts. Thank you so much, Ryan. The next thing, guys, we broke this downtrend. Yes, we are now over this downtrend. You can see it here, but if we are watching this, we are still under this yellow EMA 200 line. And we are still in this ribbon band, guys. So, okay, let me check the next thing, guys. So let me check the indicators. What's going on? Oh, sorry, too much indicators. I have to close one. But first of all, guys, before I close it, Ichimoku. I showed you yesterday the indicator Ichimoku, and you can see it here on the daily time frame, guys. A lot of drawings here. It's looking like a child drawed here, but guys, very important. Look at this. I will show you this. If you do not know what is the Ichimoku, please watch my video from yesterday or read about this on Google. But guys, the important stuff is we lost the blue line. What is the blue line? I told you this yesterday. Please watch the video. We lost the blue line. It is now a resistance. And you can see, if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see it. We are fighting with this blue line. It's now a resistance line, and we are under this blue line. That's not good for a pump, guys. Let's remove all stuff and watch this line, 53,800. It's a red line. You can watch my video from yesterday, as I told you, to read about this, what's going on with the red line. It's a really low target. It's a really low support, 53,000. We would not speak about this for the moment, but it is the red line support for the moment. Okay, let me check now the pattern. What's going on with our candlestick pattern? On the daily, it's not so important for the moment, but on the 4-hour time frame, I have here some interesting things. Guys, look at this. We have here a bullish engulfing candle for the moment, and the doji is flashing for the moment. A doji is always a nice candle, a nice pattern. I will show you guys. We saw here the last doji on this point here. This doji told us, yes, we are going to the upside. Then there come a doji, and the doji is a sign for a trend reversal. After this, we saw a bad bearish candle. So if you are selling at a doji and it's going down, great. Now for the moment, the next doji is flashing. We have here the 4-hour time frame, and we have 3 hours and 30 minutes to time to close this candle. So it's not so important for the moment. But if this may play out for the moment, this doji, we would see maybe the next bad target to the downside. We have to watch this, guys. This is the 1-hour time frame, and the 1-hour time frame, we are also buying this doji. Not so good. And if we're zooming out a little bit more, let's remove this pattern. Let's remove the Ichimoku. So, okay. And let me show you the next indicator, what's going on with the RSI Relative Strength Index on the 1 day. We saw an overbought RSI. For the moment, we are not overbought. We're going down a little bit. We can try to make now a support line. Let me show you. I think it's not so important for the moment, but let me show you. Yes, this green line is now the support line. And as you can see, we have a little space to the downside. So it's possible to come down 57. It's possible to see 57. If we are watching on the RSI. The next thing, let me watch the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we are under the middle line. And the good stuff is, guys, let me check. No, that's not the good stuff. We lost this support to the downside. This is not good for the moment. We are still under the support line. Not the baddest thing. Let me check the 1-hour time frame also. 1-hour time frame, we have to draw a line from here to here. This was a resistance, and yes, we broke out to the upside. So this is a bullish sign if you're watching the RSI. We are now over the middle line. We are on 52 points. So maybe we can break out here really nice over our EMA 200. This would be a nice breakout. We need this breakout. It's really important for the moment. And you can see here we are fighting. We are fighting really hard. You can see it again on my live stream. We are fighting really hard on the EMA 200 and the ribbon band. Guys, one thing also I would like to show you. These are my 3 other supporters. And guys, Ryan in real life, thanks one again for your 5 subscriber here, for the gift here. And the other subscriber, sorry, the other supporter here are on my live stream. Let me check this one really fast. This is Freak Jojo. Thank you so much for your 300 bits. Crypto Sharknado, thank you for the 100 bits. And Troll Magolichuti, thank you also for your support, guys. I need your support. Guys, I need your nice word. I need your thumbs to the upside. I need all sharings over the internet. I need you to keep this stuff online, to keep making every day a new video in German, in English, and to keep on this, keep on running this live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week. So guys, very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short. I wish you make millions. Thanks, guys. Thanks for all your support. Have a good time. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And guys, tomorrow I will make a short update, a 5-minute tour update. I promise. Bye bye. Yours Biti, your Biti. Your Biti? Yes, your Biti. System activated.